Welcome back YouTube, VST here, WallPapers. I have the Samsung S22 Ultra in my hand, running the Exynos version, but this video today is gonna be about what you see here in the background. I got a lot of requests from you guys like, what is this wallpaper? What is that wallpaper? Can you please share the wallpaper? Hey, what is the wallpaper you're using? What is this wallpaper? So I decided to do a video and show you what wallpaper apps I use. I do believe they're one of the best. So I'm starting with the first one. It is called the WallRod. So WallRod wallpapers by My App Devs. Once you install it, right, you're gonna see there are plenty of options inside. All these beautiful wallpapers that you see very often in my videos are created by a guy called Mathy Eckerdt. And what can I tell you guys? I believe that you can see for yourselves. They are hand-drawn, and I don't think it's gonna be an exaggeration if I say that those are perhaps some of the best wallpapers that you can get on your phone. Something very important, guys, they are organized in the form of collections. So you have landscapes, you have Japan, you have space, you have desert, you have deer, you have AMOLED, you have abstract, minimal, spooky, pixel, fishes, hero, buildings, Christmas, liquid, and what can I tell you guys, plenty of others, face word. There are really thousands of wallpapers like this, and of course you can always select your favorites. I have none. Do you know why? Because all of them are really my favorite. Also, there are plenty of settings, so when you hit the settings button, guys, you will be able to choose the appearance. So also a dark theme is supported. You can use black backgrounds in the dark mode like this, which is really like the true black and true dark mode. Color navigation bar, the animations, you can disable them for better performance. I want to enable them right now. Some settings for the storage. You will get also the high quality thumbnails, of course, if you want. Scale to feed. You are also able to see how much data you have and even clear the data, allow notifications, and see also the version of the tool. And again, those are one of the best wallpapers then you can get on your phone. I just want to show some examples for the AMOLED. Setting them is very, very easy. So let's just say I want to go with that one. I'm just gonna select it right now, and then I have the option to hit the apply button, which works like this, apply. I can choose the home screen, the lock screen. I almost in all cases go for set both, so I'll have these very nice wallpapers on my lock screen and also on the home screen. And then of course there is also the information, the name of the wallpaper, which is Minimal Night Mountains AMOLED 1, and colors, guys. This is very important. Tap swatches to copy, so you can copy this color codings and try to apply them or use them in any other tool that you want. So if you want to draw something like this, then you can do this. Let me show you some of the minimal ones. Again, handcrafted, very well drawn, and you can pretty much do plenty of stuff. There is a wallpaper for almost everybody out there. So let me just show you also the heroes. So if you like superheroes, you can go inside and you can find the Black Panther. You can find actually many Black Panthers versions. The options are really unlimited. This is why I said that I'm only using the WallRod wallpaper application, and also another one which I'm going to show in a separate video. So let's decide that this one is cool. Again, I can see the information, the author Mathy Eckerdt. I can also of course copy the colors. I pressed set bold, and I have this beautiful Batman wallpaper on my phone. So guys, I did that video to answer what is probably the most asked questions on my channel. So if you have liked the video, please go download the WallRod application. It's gonna be linked down below in this video. If you like it, of course, you can buy the application. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, VST over and bye.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view.